Top 10 essay topics about civil engineering. Civil engineering as a professional career. This topic discusses the role of civil engineers in designing and constructing essential infrastructure. Explore the educational path to becoming a civil engineer, including required degrees and certifications. Highlight the variety of specializations within civil engineering, from structural design to environmental engineering. Strategies of the American Society of Civil Engineers. The American Society of Civil Engineers, ASCE, plays a pivotal role in the civil engineering field. You can discuss the strategies and initiatives of this organization to advance the profession. Explore their efforts in infrastructure advocacy and professional development. Emphasize ASCE's role in setting industry standards and codes of practice. Civil engineering development, safety, and diversity. In this essay, discuss how safety regulations and standards have evolved to enhance construction and infrastructure safety. What is the importance of diversity and inclusion in the civil engineering workforce? You can illustrate some examples of initiatives that prioritize workplace safety and diversity. Developing more sustainable civil engineering practices. A paper on this topic explores how civil engineers are adopting sustainable practices to minimize environmental impacts. Discuss strategies for designing energy-efficient buildings, implementing green infrastructure, managing water resources sustainably, etc. Highlight the transformative potential of integrating sustainability principles into civil engineering practices. Architect, general building contractor, and civil engineer. The roles of these specialists often intersect in construction projects. In this essay, compare and contrast these professions. You can discuss their responsibilities, qualifications, experiences, and collaboration dynamics. Address how each profession contributes to successful project execution. Electrical and civil engineering analysis. When writing a paper with this title, you can talk about the commonalities and differences in analytical approaches between these two disciplines. You could explore how electrical and civil engineers analyze structures and networks. Reflect on the potential benefits of cross-disciplinary collaboration in addressing complex engineering challenges. Choosing the right career path, biomedical and civil engineering. Choosing a career path involves considering factors like interests and opportunities. This essay can compare the fields of biomedical and civil engineering as potential choices. Discuss the unique aspects of each field, from medical device design in biomedical engineering to infrastructure planning in civil engineering. Mention the educational requirements and job prospects for both fields. Peter Rice, famous civil and structural engineer. Peter Rice was a renowned civil and structural engineer who left a lasting legacy. In this paper, delve into the life and contributions of this notable figure. You can talk about his innovative approaches to structural design and engineering aesthetics. Additionally, explore his iconic projects, such as the Sydney Opera House. What is Rice's impact on shaping modern architecture and engineering practices? Sustainability and civil engineering. When writing a paper with this title, explore how civil engineers are integrating sustainability principles into their projects. Discuss concepts like life carbon footprint reduction and circular economy practices. We suggest that you talk about examples of sustainable infrastructure projects from around the world. Civil engineering assessment, fire safety in buildings. What are the principles of fire safety in buildings? You can discuss fire-resistant materials, evacuation plans, detection systems, and fire safety equipment. Address how civil engineers collaborate with architects to implement effective fire safety measures.